the church is not really what I want to do. Like, I want to make music, and you know how good I am at music. So just let me do my music and you can do your church. Like, I'll do my music. He never wanted to support the music because the music was secular. But I told him that my music is not secular. All real artists do, if you're a true artist and you're not like these stupid people who just get fame for 6 months and you want to be like Drake and be on top for 10 years, you want to be like Rihanna, you want to be like Chris Brown. True artists go through life and put their emotions into their songs and use it as a form of what's the word I'm looking for? True artists take their music and use it as a form of self-expression. That's why painters paint. That's why people write skateboards. That's why people write poetry. That's why people go to the gym. Everybody in this world has their way of releasing stress because everybody is made different from God, and everybody has a purpose, and everybody has something to fulfill. So I told him, yo, I can't be like you guys because that's not what my heart is into. And in this life, you have to follow your heart. If you don't follow your heart, you're going to be frustrated and depressed. And my whole life, I was frustrated and depressed until I was 21 years old. I couldn't go out. I was 21 years old, and everywhere I go, he'll send bodyguards with me. And how are you 21 years old and you have bodyguards with you? Make sure that Daniel doesn't go and see a girl. Make sure that Daniel doesn't go to see this boy. Make sure that Daniel doesn't go here to the store. Don't let Daniel out of the car without. So my whole life, I can't deal with that shit for 21 years. So 21, I went to his room. I told him, look, I'm leaving your house. And in Ghana, this was in Ghana, I told him, I'm leaving your house and I'm not going to stay with you because I'm not going to be under your restrictions. You can fuck off with that. I'm not a kid. I'm 21 fucking years old. You're an adult when you're 18. And I'm 21. That's 3 years older. You're not going to treat me like I'm 5 years old. You gave me, when I was 13 and I would say I want to go to Accra Mall, he would give me like money to go to Accra Mall when I was 13 years old. And I'm 21 now. I ask you to go to give me money, and you won't even let me go to Accra Mall. You send bodyguards and police to be around me, so I can't leave my house. I can't go outside my Trasacco house, beautiful Trasacco area, and take a walk. I'm locked in your house. Are you a prison? You want me to be in a prison in your house? Are you stupid? So I'm not going to do that. So I told him, look, I will never be like you. I'm made to do music. That's who God created me to be, and I will be like you. He told me when I left the house, he told me, you are going to die. God is going to kill you for serving the devil because I'm doing music that has to do with my heart and emotions. How the fuck am I serving the devil by putting my heart into the song? Are you fucking stupid? That if I don't mention Jesus in every song, then I'm serving the devil and I'm a devil worshiper. Are you fucking stupid? So who gave me the heart to be putting in the songs in the first place? Was it the devil who created my heart? Are you not preaching that God made us? So if God made me the heart, where is the music coming from? So I told him I'm leaving the house. When I left the house, I didn't know where I was going to stay. I ended up staying with Overwise, but that's a long story. I'm not going to get into that. I'm going to get into the story of why this was happening right now. So that's the backtrack, just to tell you of why we started having beef, and he's called the police to come and arrest me and all of that nonsense because he lost control over me when I left his house and he can't keep me in the prison for the rest of my life. Do you think I'm going to be 25 years old and staying in your house and you're sending bodyguards with me? I'm in a hotel. If I want to pay a girl $100 to come and suck my dick, I would do it because I'm a grown man and you can't do anything about it. I'm 25 years old. If you want to fucking try me, try me. I'm not a pastor. I'm on streets with street boys. You don't know me. You don't know who I am spiritually. You only know me in the physical. So if you want to try me in the spirit, then try me. So 2016, I had a spiritual awakening. I woke up one day. It was August. It was my birthday month, August. So you don't have to say all of this. Maxine, get out of my fucking DM. You said you are going to block me. Stop fucking sending me messages. I don't have time for you. Sorry. So I don't have to say all this. Do you know what the fuck I have to say?
No, you don't have to. I think I really, like, I'm trying so hard.
I